Texmaco Rail and RVNL formalize JV to accelerate rail manufacturing and global EPC expansion. Texmaco Rail and Rail Vikas Nigam Limited have formalized their strategic partnership by signing a joint venture shareholders agreement in New Delhi. This marks a significant step toward building a unified platform that combines manufacturing scale with execution expertise in India's railway sector. The joint venture brings together Texmaco's industrial manufacturing capabilities and export experience with RVNL's strong track record in executing complex railway EPC projects. The collaboration is positioned as a public-private partnership model that aims to strengthen India's rail manufacturing ecosystem while expanding its global infrastructure footprint. Under the agreed structure, Texmaco will hold a 49% stake in the joint venture, while RVNL will retain majority ownership. This structure is designed to leverage public sector execution depth along with private sector agility in manufacturing and innovation. The JV will focus on advanced rolling stock segments including freight wagons, locomotives, passenger coaches and metro systems. In addition, it will target lifecycle maintenance, asset management solutions and large-scale EPC and turnkey rail infrastructure projects across domestic and international markets. Management commentary indicates that the partnership is aligned with the broader vision of strengthening domestic manufacturing and enhancing India's global competitiveness in rail infrastructure. The initiative is expected to create a scalable platform capable of delivering integrated rail solutions that combine engineering innovation, cost efficiency and global quality standards. Beyond manufacturing, the venture is expected to drive technology indigenization and localization of supply chains. By embedding international safety and performance benchmarks, the JV aims to position India as a preferred global hub for rolling stock production and rail infrastructure solutions. The collaboration is also expected to support domestic MSME ecosystems and generate significant industrial activity across manufacturing corridors. Over time, this could translate into job creation, skill development and deeper integration of Indian suppliers into large-scale rail projects. Internationally, the partnership plans to pursue opportunities across Asia, Africa and the Middle East. By combining execution strength and manufacturing capability, the JV aims to compete for integrated rail infrastructure contracts in emerging markets. From a strategic perspective, this move strengthens both companies. For Texmaco, it enhances access to large EPC projects and public sector-driven opportunities. For RVNL, it provides manufacturing integration and export-oriented capabilities, creating a more complete value chain offering. Overall, the Texmaco and RVNL joint venture signals a long-term structural push toward building a globally competitive rail manufacturing and infrastructure platform from India. If executed effectively, the collaboration could play a meaningful role in expanding India's footprint in the global rail ecosystem while supporting domestic infrastructure growth. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.